Hi, welcome to Clark Mortensen Quick Takes. My name is Jim Hill. One of the topics that we wanted to discuss today was the Supreme Court decision that was held on June 28th and how this affects employers and individuals. Most importantly, if you haven't heard, the Supreme Court has ruled in favor of maintaining the Affordable Care Act. And one of the big issues in that whole process was, is the individual mandate going to be severed from the Affordable Care Act, or was it going to remain in the Affordable Care Act? And it was voted that everything would remain the same, to include the individual mandate. So how does that affect employers and individuals? Well, from an employer standpoint, all of the provisions that were going to go into effect in 2013 and 14 will remain. So there will be no changes from an employer standpoint. And so that means, depending on if you are an employer of 25 or less employees or 50 or more employees, there could be some changes that you will have to deal with in 2014. And the exchanges, as we know it, will still remain into effect in 2014. It all depends on how much time the states or the federal government will have to put these into effect, and that's the exchanges. From an individual standpoint, what this means is that you will have to have coverage, credible coverage, and that can either be through your employer or through an exchange. And if you do not have insurance or coverage, you will be taxed on that. We're going to talk further in more quick takes on how this affects you as an individual and what the exchanges look like. Hope this has been helpful, and thank you for watching Clark Mortensen Quick Takes.